Welcome to TechNation, the channel dedicated to exploring the latest technology trends and innovations. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of supercomputers and how they are changing the way we live and work. Supercomputers are the most powerful and advanced type of computers available today, capable of performing trillions of calculations per second. These machines are used in a wide range of applications, from weather forecasting and climate modeling to drug discovery and financial modeling. But what are some of the specific ways that supercomputers are being used in the real world, and how are they shaping our world? One of the most important applications of supercomputers is in the field of medicine. These machines are able to simulate complex chemical reactions and biological processes, which helps researchers to develop new drugs faster and more accurately. For example, supercomputers are being used to simulate the interactions between drugs and proteins in the human body, which allows scientists to identify new drug targets and predict potential side effects. Another field where supercomputers are having a major impact is finance. These machines are able to perform complex financial modeling, which helps to identify new investment opportunities and manage risk. For example, supercomputers are being used to analyze large amounts of financial data, such as stock prices and economic indicators, to predict market trends and identify profitable investments. In energy industry, supercomputers are being used to optimize the operation of power grids and predict the behavior of renewable energy sources. For example, supercomputers are being used to simulate the behavior of wind turbines and solar panels, which helps to optimize the production of renewable energy. They also help in analyzing large data sets collected from sensors in the power grid in order to predict and prevent power outages. Supercomputers are also revolutionizing the field of weather forecasting and climate modeling. These machines are able to simulate the Earth's climate and predict future weather patterns with a high degree of accuracy. For example, supercomputers are being used to simulate the effects of climate change, such as rising sea levels and extreme weather events, which help scientists to understand the potential impacts of these changes and develop strategies to mitigate them. In addition to these specific applications, supercomputers are also being used in a wide range of other fields, such as aerospace engineering, manufacturing, and research. They are being used to design new aircraft and spacecraft, optimize manufacturing processes, and analyze large data sets for scientific discoveries. In the field of aerospace engineering, supercomputers are being used to simulate the behavior of aircraft and spacecraft in different conditions, which helps to optimize their design and improve their performance. In the field of manufacturing, supercomputers are being used to simulate and optimize production processes, which helps to increase efficiency and reduce costs. In research, supercomputers are being used to analyze large data sets and make new scientific discoveries. For example, in the field of genetics, supercomputers are being used to analyze large amounts of genetic data, which helps to identify new genes associated with diseases and understand how they work. In the field of astronomy, supercomputers are being used to analyze large amounts of data from telescopes and satellites, which helps to discover new planets and understand the behavior of distant stars and galaxies. The relationship between 5G and supercomputers is one of increased connectivity and faster data transfer speeds. 5G networks, the latest generation of mobile networks, offer faster data transfer speeds and lower latency than previous generations of networks. This allows for more efficient transfer of data between supercomputers and other devices, such as smartphones and tablets. When it comes to supercomputers, the ability to quickly and reliably transfer large amounts of data is essential. Supercomputers generate and process huge amounts of data, and the ability to transfer that data quickly and efficiently is crucial to their performance. With 5G networks, supercomputers will be able to transfer data at much faster speeds and with lower latency, which will enable new types of applications and research. One example is in the field of medicine, where supercomputers are used to simulate complex chemical reactions and biological processes. With the faster data transfer speeds of 5G networks, supercomputers will be able to process and analyze large amounts of medical data, such as genomic data, more quickly and efficiently. This will enable new discoveries in the field of personalized medicine, such as the development of new drugs that are tailored to the specific genetic makeup of individual patients. Similarly, in the field of finance, supercomputers are able to perform complex financial modeling which can help to identify new investment opportunities and manage risk. With 5G networks, supercomputers will be able to analyze large amounts of financial data, such as stock prices and economic indicators, in real time, which will enable new types of financial analysis and investment strategies. In energy industry, supercomputers are used to optimize the operation of power grids and predict the behavior of renewable energy sources. With 5G networks, supercomputers will be able to collect and analyze data from sensors in the power grid in real time, which will enable new types of analysis and control of the power grid, such as predicting and preventing power outages. Overall, the combination of 5G networks and supercomputers will enable new types of applications and research that were previously not possible. With faster data transfer speeds and lower latency, supercomputers will be able to process and analyze large amounts of data more quickly and efficiently, which will lead to new discoveries and advancements in a wide range of fields. Supercomputers have a wide range of practical applications. Some of the most notable are weather forecasting and climate modeling. Supercomputers are used to simulate the Earth's climate and predict future weather patterns with a high degree of accuracy. This helps to improve weather forecasting and understand the impacts of climate change. Drug discovery. Supercomputers are used to simulate complex chemical reactions and biological processes, which helps researchers to develop new drugs faster and more accurately. Financial modeling. Supercomputers are used to perform complex financial modeling, which helps to identify new investment opportunities and manage risk. Climate modeling. These machines are used to simulate the Earth's climate and predict future weather patterns with a high degree of accuracy. Astrophysics. Supercomputers are used to simulate the behavior of stars and galaxies and understand the behavior of the universe. Aerospace engineering. Supercomputers are used to simulate the behavior of aircraft and spacecraft in different conditions, which helps to optimize their design and improve their performance. Nuclear energy. Supercomputers are used to simulate the behavior of nuclear reactions and predict potential accidents in nuclear power plants. Genetics. Supercomputers are used to analyze large amounts of genetic data, which helps to identify new genes associated with diseases and understand how they work. Cryptography. Supercomputers are used to break encryption codes and protect sensitive data. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Supercomputers are used to train and run large-scale AI models, which can be used in a wide range of applications like natural language processing, image recognition, and self-driving cars. Quantum computing. Supercomputers can also be used to simulate quantum systems and perform quantum algorithms, which can be used in fields such as cryptography and drug discovery. In conclusion, supercomputers are powerful tools that are changing the way we live and work in many fields. They are being used to solve some of the most complex problems in science and engineering, from simulating the Earth's climate to developing new drugs. As technology continues to evolve, the capabilities of supercomputers will continue to grow and open new doors for innovation and progress. We hope you enjoyed this video on supercomputers and their practical applications.